पणजे सिटी स्मार्ट जावपाचे वाटेर आसा, मात आडवेळ्या पडिल्ल्या पावसान पणजेचे रस्ते पुराय उदकान गेले। ही बाबत परिस्थिती पणजेचेर कित्याक आयली आनी हाका जबाबदार कोण हाचेर पणजेची आदली नगरसेविका तशेंच जाणकार पेट्रिशिया पिंटो हांणी आपली प्रतिक्रिया दिल्या। स्मार्ट सिटीचो नियाळ घेवपी गोमंतकाच्या खासा कार्यावळीत ती उलयताली।
What has happened is when you don't have a plan and you have different infrastructure coming into the city, you have sewage lines coming in, you have gas pipelines coming in, you have all other lines coming in, each one is working on their own. So the sewage people are working on their own. As they're going along, they're breaking whatever they find. So they have gone.
There is nobody to take care of.
Nobody, no supervision, nothing for any works. Now, how do you expect the city to be smart? I don't expect the city to be smart, and we just can't blame it on high tide. High tides have been here throughout.
Exactly.
High tide, rain throughout. There is a plan here to say you have to take care of the high tide. Work with hydrological experts and all to take care of the high tide. We need sponge areas, we need more plants, we need something to take the water. So I don't know who's planning or who's doing what.
So
according to me, no, this is all a money-making racket. They've been given so much money to do work within so much time. So everybody is in a hurry. But the issue is, will we able to get the city back to what it was before, or at least what it was before Smart Cities started their work?